Hello everyone, so now I'm gonna show you exactly how we can exactly create a YouTube banner without spending any money and then without spending any time. So I will chat GPT and also I will use Canva template. So first of all I search on YouTube, like for example you can search YouTube YouTube. Already I search it YouTube YouTube change YouTube banner design YouTube banner design TMPLA template. So you can search in and you can see a lot of template. If you click on over here, it will come in. Okay, and also you can customize one of them, which one exactly you like. So and you will click the back, and then you can also customize from freebie. This is also some tools. There are a lot of awesome tools, you can use one of them. Yeah, that's the thing. And I also like this one, so I can also use this one, but I will use in Canva. Okay, so I will use in a Canva. So what I'm gonna do exactly, so I this is my template, so I'm gonna use ChatGPT for more better information. Like I'm say that I'm creating creating my YouTube banner. So I am agency owner, and also I am a agency owner and agency and sales a sales expert. Okay, and I have be expert. Now give me heading for my banner. Okay, you can see I'm making missing spelling mistake, but ChatGPT understand, so I writing very quickly, that's why I make some mistake. Okay, we don't have to worry about that. Okay, for my banner and banner heading, and I am doing it for my branding, BREA, doing in the Bangla DESS. Okay, so I'm gonna start and I'm gonna give it, and then it will think about it. Okay, this gonna and also if I say I want to mention my name. Okay, my name is MDFO, oh sorry, MDFORHED, MDFORHED. Okay, so ChatGPT will include my name on this heading. Okay, so we have to wait for this moment. So shortly, I will say shortly I like this, I like this one. Okay, so I will copy it, I like this one, so I will copy it and then I will paste it. Okay, and I would say shortly. Let's see ChatGPT what giving me. More shortly. Okay, let's see. Just I'm gonna understand that I'm the Farhat and sales and agency. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it and then uh, I'm gonna give to my banner. Okay, so which one is my banner? So my banner is this. So I'm gonna just paste it. Oh, it's take too much space, so I will exactly remove on the other thing. Like this one, I know need this. Delete it, and also delete. Oh sorry, I delete my heading, I don't have to delete. Okay, so I will keep it here and I will make it a little bit smaller. You can see it looks will be more great. Okay, so you can see that's perfect. So I'm gonna download it and then I'm gonna add in my YouTube channel. So I will go to my YouTube channel, and to go my YouTube channel I have to click like I will click from here, and then I will click the UID studio. Okay, so what I have to do, just I will switch my channel which where I want to exactly add this banner. So from my YouTube channel I have to click customization. To go in a banner I have to click the customization, and you can see I added like wrong banner, so I will remove it and then I upload. Then I will go to my download. At the very bottom I have this banner, so I will double click, then it will adjust. I have to make it a little bit bigger. Can you see there is space, so I can make it bigger. Okay, so let's do it. So I will exactly make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that looks more professional and that's great. Okay, okay, so what info? Okay, I can ask ChatGPT what others. This is my heading. What would the others text I can take it for PE better ESULT and build TRUS trust. Let's say ChatGPT what giving me. So like for example consulting training growth. Okay, so helping business to scale and service entrepreneur across Bangladesh. Okay, so what can I give me best, give me only best one line. Okay, let's see, maybe helping grow your scale your business. So let's copy it and I'm gonna paste it. I think it should not paste, it will I think my this one is so okay, but I think okay, so let's make it more smaller, and I will keep it very bottom. Okay, at the very bottom I will give my contact information. Okay, so I will go to ChatGPT. What can I take? Contact. So I will give my number. So in contact I will give my number. 1 second, guys. So guys, I'm really sorry for the late. Okay, so now let's design my template. So all I have to do is just copy, and I will add my phone number also, so I'll end it. Okay, so what I can do exactly, I will go to my, and I will copy it again, and I will paste it, and I will make it more smaller. Okay, okay, I can ask ChatGPT, should I give my number? Should I give my number in? Let's see. It's depend on your goals. If you want to direct client inquiry, if your business relay personal consultations, you are comfortable holding call and message, you prefer to leads through website, social media, you want to avoid spam calls, your brand feels more professional without it. uh, mm, Instead of phone number, you can see like contact info, social media. Oh yes, I can give contact info. So yeah, so let's see, the a couple of months I can give the number, and then let's see what happened. Okay, so I will exactly download it. Where it is. Okay, I will download it, and contact for consultation. For consultation. Okay, so I will click the consultation. I can give for consultation. Okay, so I can give it. Perfect. Now I think looks great. So guys, we have designed our banner, so I will download it. Okay, so it will take some times, and then I will go to my YouTube channel, then I will edit. So first of all, I will click the upload. So first from here I'm gonna click it, and then it will add here. Okay, so I will see this looks on my YouTube channel, so I will publish it, and after a moment and let's I can give some. Okay, so I will keep it as it is. Lot of video available. Okay, well, so what I can do, so what section I can add more for my live now, subscriptions, create playlist, single playlist, upcoming live stream. Okay, well, so guys, it was my video. So if you like this video, let me know. Then let's see this channel looks right now. I think this looks, oh wow.
Hello everyone, I hope you are happy.
Now this looks so much great. And 01, let's check my number, 0131909523. So it was my video, and WhatsApp consult, WhatsApp or call. Okay, I can also mention the WhatsApp and consultation. Message me WhatsApp for consultation. It I know message what's okay, so I can write WhatsApp number WHAT WhatsApp consultation. Okay, so I can ask ChatGPT write it with meaningful. Write it with me and meaning at you full. Okay, and then I will paste it. And I'll paste it. Okay, so let's say ChatGPT will give me the right way. What I can do, ChatGPT WhatsApp for consultation. Okay, so I can give this one. This text awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and then I will also go to my banner. Okay, so I can exactly change this. Okay, now looks great, right? I can make it bold. Yes, perfect, looks great, awesome. Okay, so I will download it and then I will edit it. This I'll also make it a little bit smaller. Okay, looks perfect, fine. So I will exactly make it little bit behind below. Okay, I think so far done. I will just download it. I will download it. Okay, it will go a little bit upward side. Okay, now let's see, this looks fine, not bad. Okay, so finally I have designed my main and last banner. So it was my video. So if you like this video, let me know, and then also what kind of video you are looking for the next time, present, and I will help you out. Thank you so much.